is a blown up photo that we've taken of a caliper. Now, everything that you're going to be doing with the M&M lab is using outside measurements. So we're going to be putting something in between these two teeth on the caliper, and we're going to be measuring the distance across that object. Now, caliper reading is a two-step process. For step 1, you're going to look at the 0 on the top scale and see which two numbers it's in between on the middle scale. We're going to be ignoring this bottom scale because that's an inside diameter. We're not using that for this lab. So the 0 is in between the 4 millimeter mark and the 5 millimeter mark. So our answer is going to be between 4 and 5. Now, if you look at that 0 again, you'll see that it's very close to the 5 millimeter mark. So our answer is going to be a decimal point that's pretty close to 5, 4 point something. Now, to find out what our point something is, we have the second step where we look at the caliper differently. We're going to use this top scale again. This time, each tick mark is 0.1 millimeters. We already know it's going to be greater than 0.5, so we can look at these to see which one of these tick marks lines up exactly with the tick marks on the center scale. Now, some people would say they think 4.8 lines up with the 20. I would say the 0.9 is lining up exactly with this line here. So our answer is 4 from our first step and 0.9 from our second step. So our final answer becomes 4.9 millimeters. Now, in the lab that you're going to do for the M&M lab, we're going to need to convert that into centimeters because we're using a graduated cylinder which measures in cubic centimeters. So we would take our 4.9 millimeters and convert that to 0.49 centimeters.